stop it. Because you're obsessed with yourself and you want to rewatch it. These are actually so funny. So you think we're a joke? I need a lot of storage. I'm a YouTuber, so you know. Bro, I love laughing like that. You wish you had that update. I don't update because I don't want to slow my phone down. Yeah, because if you update, your battery percentage is gonna go low. Yeah. Look at her literally focusing on herself. Thank you. Dreaming of being a big star.
There's not like a lot of affordable food at the Cap. I just know that I need to get a caramel muffin.
What muffin?
A caramel. Should I get this?
No, it's nasty.
Yeah, it's not burger. It's like
yeah, you're gonna pass out like Jessica in that bathtub. Didn't she pass out in the bathtub one time?
Like grade 6. She like saw a demon and passed out.
That was not grade 6.
Yes, it was. How are you gonna tell me?
Because I know. They know. So
I should take this one. It's a reset.
No, that's gonna
Reset my heart. One bed.
If you could have one bed for the rest of your life, not water, what would it be? And I know you wouldn't pick water. Is it Canada Dry?
Like, are you disgusting?
Lean?
What did you say?
Lean? I'm just joking. No. Dreaming of being a big star. Yes, sir.
Go, stop loitering.
Bro, Colleen Hoover works here.
She's reading smart in the back.
That looks like Kylie.
It is. Yes.
Oh no. Wait, what? She's actually there? Yeah,
I'm talking about that.
she's actually there.
I know. I was talking to the sub in French.
Wait.
That's all.
D'accord.
Yeah. Show it to Jess
Oui.
and say represent.
Est-ce que tu peux parler en français?
People were gonna think we're like Quebecois or some shit.
That's what we need.
What? Mila.
Mila. How the heck do I open it? Like there's a lock and key?
Guys, this is the smartest
Yeah, like
person
they're locking
ever.
up the...
I got you.
Don't touch it.
Aww. She likes to be the mom of the group.
I'm really mom.
I'm like the brother of the group.
I'm the group leader.
Not with that height.
Oh shit, I'm not that short.
Buddy.
And I'm still growing. I'm by a half an inch.
Oh my god, Harry Potter? You guys want to come to my hockey game?
Yeah, when?
Sunday.
Well, you better win. Hey, play ball!
She thinks you're recording her. She's like, recording.
When are you gonna, you know?
If I ever get 1,000 followers, I'll do the dance.
What dance? Oh, he's good?
Oh, well, you already did it.
Will you stick to your promise?
I will stick to my promise.
I heard you've been signing people's arms.
I have.
Hold this. Wrong way! You turned upside down
Yeah,
too.
fuck. Wait, what? I signed
He's not
Lauren
used to
Nicholas's
the
arm.
iPhones. Come
I
on.
don't know. I signed Lauren Nicholas's arm.
They're gonna get it surgically
I
removed.
pulled on
and
the
hung up.
sleeve like this, and then that's probably a terrible angle, with my username, Mathijis013. Shout out to, what's your account name again? Piss Baby? Oh my.
Kiss babies, chosen family 4.
Hashtag chosen family 4.
Why did you?
Jeez, this one's broke. First videos.
This vlog channel.
You.
Okay, I'm putting that out.
Hey, wait, take your phone out. I gotta get to class.
They don't. This was such in a hurry. He's so famous, he can't even get.
Shut the f up. Let me
He's
be.
around us. He's not even like denying it.
I am denying it. She didn't eat that the entire time.
So you lost the volleyball game.
I did not lose the volleyball game. I won 2, lost 1.
You're not even a team player.
I don't give a fuck.
I won 1.
I am the best player second to one. Come here. You want to join the vlog? How are you, man?
Bad.
Oh, what's up?
Dude, you wanna buy You wanna buy flowers off me?
Flowers? I don't have flowers. Bye, Robbie.
Do you think he's a fan of Mathijis?
Probably. He fist bumps me in class.
I wasn't talking to you, I was talking to the fans.
Fuck you too. Love my fans.
You don't have any.
Man, like, there's no reason to say that. Like, come on.
Watch out. See, such a L. Oh, I heard about what happened today. Is this Wickham?